What's the meaning of crinkly? Crinkly. Crinkly.
Crinkly. Crinkly. The word crinkly refers to a surface or material that has many small, curved wrinkles or creases on it. It often describes an object that is not perfectly smooth, but instead has a texture that is slightly uneven. This can give the object a more interesting appearance and make it seem more tactile. Some materials, like paper or fabric, are naturally crinkly, while others may become crinkled through wear and tear or intentional pleating or ruffling. Overall, the term crinkly suggests a certain degree of charm or character in an object's appearance.